So what I made this pen app was basically a clapper, like the clap on, clap off thing. But I made one that knows your location and will execute different commands based on where you are in the room. So the way that I achieved this is basically if you have a room like this, I'll set up 3 different microphones in different corners of the room. And then when you clap someplace in the middle of the room, it will get to the microphones at different times. And if you know the locations of the microphones, you can then calculate the difference that they came in means that they must be different distances from each of these microphones, and then you can identify where they are exactly in the room. You then correlate that with a command that you set up. I have it being set up using Alexa, and then you will execute that command. So here we are back in my house. It's a little messy. We've set up a couple of Raspberry Pis around the room, and it's going to be a quick little demo on how everything works. So normally, if you wanted to turn on something in your house, like a light, you might say, Alexa, turn light on. And then what we have is that correlated with printing an on symbol on the screen. So now with our setup, we can make a location in our room correlate with turning the light on. So the way we do that is we say, Alexa, turn a sign light on. Alexa, turn a sign light on. Alexa, turn a sign light on. Alright, there we go, there she heard me. So now the next spot that I snap in will be correlated with that on symbol. So I'll snap right here. And we can see that after I set it up, it snapped there. And again, we'll show you. And we'll get the on symbol. Yes, that's basically how it works. We can also do Alexa, turn a sign light off. So now if we snap over here, we will set everything up. So one other thing we can do, just to a little bit better show how it works, we can set up a remote so that either side that we snap on will do a different command. So for that we just say, Alexa, turn on remote. Alexa, turn remote on. Sorry. It's Alexa, turn a sign remote on. So what we do is we set up the central spot for it. And we can now see that if we snap on the right side, we will get a right arrow, and on the left side, we will get a left arrow. Yeah, a little hard to see, but you see that one came up left and that one came up right, so right side. We get a right arrow, left side, we get a left arrow. So that would just be like if you wanted to change the channels, you'd set up a remote just in your location and then snap on either side to do those.